find the slime, watch me find marshmallows. I'll come play a dragonfly, water bomb and ice. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case. I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you wanted to play hide and